I'm that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of this new camera I got. So basically, like, I've been filming off of my phone. I have like the newest iPhone or whatever. So I've been filming off my phone. I used to sometimes film off my Canon Rebel T5i, I think I have. But I didn't like that I wasn't able to see myself, so I kind of just used that for like taking pictures and like stuff like for my business. So I was like, I've been looking for like a camera that I wanted to get, but I wasn't really sure what I wanted to get. But then I seen Costco had this camera, so I was like, maybe I should give this one a try. So basically, this is the Canon EOS M50 mirrorless camera, and it's the inspiration kit, and it comes with a memory card and the body of the camera, and then a lens and a sling backpack. And this was like at Costco, it was like for like basically $500, and then like plus tax it was like $530. So basically I'm gonna show you guys me opening and taking everything out. So I got my little pocket knife. I got this knife off of Amazon. Isn't it so cute? It's so nice outside because it's like not too hot and not too it's like sunny and it's not too hot. All right, so then it's just like this little dumb stuff. Oh, I think I stabbed myself. I always stab myself. All right, so then the camera's in here. All right, the camera and the lens. And then the backpack is in here also. So I'll show the backpack first. So basically this is the backpack. So if I just want to take my camera with me, I could put it in my little backpack. It's cute, just black. All right, so now let's get into our actual box. So I'm gonna open this. I don't want to rip it. All right. So the top of it, it's like a tag for the sling backpack. That's what this is. Then it's a Canon user manual, and then just a bunch of paperwork, basically. Register your product, and then like a thing to register for like accidents or whatever, like damage to the camera. So now I'm taking this off. And then this is the camera. Let's open it up. Oh. So it comes with the strap on it, and it's like this. So let's see. Then we have the little battery, the battery charger. I'm trying to take everything out. And then it has my battery. I'm probably going to have to charge. I wonder, oh, the garbage is flying. My mom's going to be so mad at me if I leave the garbage out here. I just want to pull everything out. All right, where's the memory card? It's kind of pissing me off. All right, so I got my memory card disc, and I got my lens. So let's go ahead and set this up. Let me see if the battery is at least a little bit charged. And then let's stick this memory card in. It's a SanDisk memory card. Get into it, as Taya would say. I wish you guys can see the view right now. Like, I have such a good view. It looks so clear. Okay. Wow, like this looks so good. I'm literally gonna take a picture so I can insert it. I can insert it. Oh wait, where'd I go? Let me take a picture of something like cool. I'll take a picture of the box. So literally, I feel like this is gonna be a great investment, like a good investment. Of like me starting to record on my camera and like switching from my phone. If you watch like my early videos, like in maybe 2018, I did record off my Canon Rebel T5. But yeah, now I'm gonna start recording off of this. So like the next video you see after this, I'm gonna be using my new camera. And yeah, I'm excited. So literally the camera, I'm like, what am I doing? So it's touchscreen. Like, I'm showing you guys what I just took on here. That's me. I took a picture of me. And I literally, like, love it. Because you could just be, like, if I'm doing, like, taking pictures or something, I could just be like, yeah, just swipe, girl. Look at your pictures. But, yeah, like, oh, my God. I love it already. And I just got it. I'm so happy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing me open this camera. Bye. And, yeah. Shop with Bratz for your glasses, because you already know it's about to be sunny outside and you need to have your glasses on because, like, yeah. And that's on period. All right, bye guys.